Hi there, angels. I'm excited to say I got the latest box of happiness. It's the Therabox. Oh yes. So far I've really been enjoying this subscription, and I've got a curious chihuahua here beside me, and it is one that I would recommend currently to other people. I will put a link below, which if you give it a try, you will get a discount on your first box. Alrighty, here's what I see when I first open it up, right here. And let's see what we got here. This one's theme looks like it's Bloom. Alright, it has okay. Okay, so they have some online content available to the subscribers, which is very nice. Their little Bloom book is really cute with some flowers. Let me see if I can bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about here. Right here. Super cute. And then they always use a nice tissue paper to bring everything together, and there's a sticker that says, "I wish you every happiness." That's very sweet. Alright, let's dive in and see what it's all about for the month of March. Okay, so I've pulled the paper away. Let's dive right in. Got a curious chihuahua still. Here, let me see if I can organize you guys a little bit better here so you can see what we got going on here. Alright. That should be better. Oh, excuse me, chihuahua. Now you can see the box. Alright, so first thing I'm pulling out right here. This is a natural jelly bath spa lavender and delusion minerals lavender. So it's a step 1, step 2 situation. Nice. I'm gonna enjoy those. Also, we have here, oh my goodness, Farmer's Touch. Let me check their book. Farmer's Touch. Let's see here. Ah, okay, it's an all-natural foot cream. Looks like it's a pretty good size of it as well. I'm not sure if it says how many ounces because I don't see so well. My eyes are not cooperating with me. And the small print, you know, makes it tough. NCLA Los Angeles treatments, take it off, soy-based nail lacquer remover sheets. Nice. It gives you 10 in here, and nail polish remover. Very nice. Gives me an excuse to paint my nails so I can give these a try. Pamper yourself a little bit. It's always a good idea. Ooh, and now I know what I'll be polishing my nails with. They've put in a nice and very pretty spring green color. It's almost like a seafoam green. It's very nice. Have to be giving that a try as well. Also, we have in here, what is this? Schedule note. It's a little notebook with a cat and a heart. And on the inside, it's got a cat and a heart. And you can open up more, and it looks like it may have stickers, a notepad, some little post-it types notes, another little thing of notes. Okay, so it's just a bunch of little notepads and little reminder sticker kind of things. Very cute. Clever idea. I like that they included that because I'm always using Post-its and such. This will be my replacement for that. And it's super cute, so it'll be something that'll catch my eye rather than those plain old boring Post-it notes. Okay, what is this? Unicorn whipped body butter. Wow, look at how pretty that is. I was thinking it was like some kind of a food or something, because it almost looks like marshmallows. Seriously cute. Let's give it a smell real quick, shall we? Oh, it smells nice. Oh, look at that. Very pretty. Yeah. Body butter. I'm gonna use this tonight after my soak. What else? This just keeps giving and giving. I'm not sure. Let's see here. Did we miss anything on this side? No. Okay, we're clear on that side. Okay, and then this is a herbal transdermal cell remineralizing mud mask. Okay. Nice, nice. Very nice. Almost has a licorice smell to it, so maybe it has fennel in it potentially. But here's that mud mask. I didn't open this one. Let me open this one. The foot cream. See what that smells like. Actually, that has a really nice smell. Slightly fruity with just a hint of floral. It's actually the best smelling one yet. That smells delightful. The feet are gonna get quite a treat then, huh? All right, let's see. Okay. And it looks like the final item, well, they put a lot of the package curls in there. Okay, but oh, okay, so we have another polish. This one is called Venice Dream Serum. For scarring plus hydration. Okay, oh, okay, it's not a nail polish, excuse me, it's a serum. Okay, so it's for, I guess, helping the decrease of the presence of a scar, is what I'm assuming just at first glance by what I'm reading here on the bottle. Yeah, that'll be interesting to give it a try, because I do have quite a few scars, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. They gave a nice variety of items here. Let me see if I can, hold on one second. Let me get rid of some of this filler real quick. And also make sure that there's nothing else. And I'm going to accidentally toss something that might be hiding out. But nope, I think we got it. Alright, we're clear. But yeah, this month they gave a very nice variety of stuff. Let me set it all up here in the box pretty like. A lot of beauty items this month, which I will be enjoying. I've been using beauty products a little bit more often lately, and yeah, these will certainly come in handy. Whoa, there we go. But yeah, a nice variety of stuff, and I'm excited to try some of these products, especially this unicorn whipped body butter. It looks so interesting. I can't wait to touch it and dig in. And yeah, this is gonna actually be put to use as soon as I'm done recording this video. So thank you so much for watching this. Let me know if you have ever tried the Therabox. If you have, what'd you think of it? If you are ever considering trying a subscription box, I would have to say that the Therabox really is the one that I would say is worth giving a try, because so far they haven't disappointed me, and I'm pretty picky, so it's hard to do, and they're accomplishing that, so I say kudos to them. But yes, if you're interested, please use the link below. I get a discount on, I believe, a future box of mine, and then you get a discount as well for giving them a try, which, hey, who doesn't love discounts, right? Exactly. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.